Who is Wes Heffernan, and what is conscious evolution?
I don't know if we have time.
Join us each episode for real conversation.
I'm sure we blame Eve for eating the apple for the fall of man, right? I mean, how do you think that makes her feel?
And insight as Wes sheds light.
God sacrificed his son for the greater good of all so that consciousness in God could grow and expand itself into more. I desire for others to be able to share this feeling in this place that I have. God is consciousness. God is what drives human consciousness.
The foundation is set. Now it's time to build.
I've spent 3 decades building my foundation. I'm ready to build my temple now, and let's build together.
Are you ready to evolve? Join the evolution by subscribing to our YouTube channel.